Welcome to Canvas Assignments and Assessments. In this portion, we will be discussing the plagiarism checker tool, TurnItIn. TurnItIn is an internet-based plagiarism detection service available within Canvas, similar to Blackboard's SafeAssign. To create an assignment that utilizes TurnItIn, navigate to the Assignments Index page within your Canvas course. Select the dark blue Add Assignment button in the upper right corner, and make sure to designate an assignment name and instructions into their respective provided fields, as well as customize the assignment settings for points, assignment group, display grade as, submission type, and submission attempts. Now, in order to add the Canvas plagiarism framework, change the assignment submission type to online. As you can see, it is already set to online on mine. Under Online Entries, select the File Uploads or Text Entry box. From there, beneath Submission Attempts, you can select your integration name from the Plagiarism Review drop-down menu. This is where we will be selecting TurnItIn. From here, you can customize the TurnItIn plagiarism settings. First, you can select whether you want to store your submissions in the standard paper repository or not at all. You can select what you would like to compare your submissions against in terms of the student repository, website content, and periodicals, journals, and publications. Below that, you can designate what you would like to exclude from the similarity report in terms of bibliographic materials, quoted materials, and small sources. You can also choose to enable the grammar checker using ETS E-Rater technology. If enabled, you can then select grade level. As an institute of higher education, I would suggest using advanced, and then you can designate a dictionary to use. Make sure that you look through categories for that grammar checker to look at spelling, grammar, usage, mechanics, or style. Once you've made all of your selections for TurnItIn, you can select the check mark to save these as your default settings. If selected, any assignment that you create using TurnItIn Plagiarism Review will maintain the same settings. The last and final option is to show the report to students, where you can choose by default to have it show the report immediately, after the assignment is graded, after the due date, or not at all. Once you've designated all of your TurnItIn options, you can continue on with your assignment creation options by enabling this as a group assignment, if it is a group assignment, that is. Enabling peer reviews, if peer reviews are something you would like to use, anonymous grading, and assign to designations. Now, an important note here is that TurnItIn works with online submissions for group assignments. Each student in a group will receive an individual similarity report. Once all of your options have been created, you can go ahead and save or save and publish your assignment. Now, in addition to this, ODU faculty do have access to use TurnItIn's website for bulk file uploads. To access this, navigate to turnitin.com, and in the upper right corner, select Log In. You will log in using your faculty email and password. Now, a note here, if you have issues logging in, please make sure to reach out to ITS. Some accounts have been created, some have not. So it is important that you reach out to ITS if you have any issues. Now, to bulk upload, select the course that you want to upload to. Locate the assignment that you want to upload your submissions to. And to the far right, you'll see a drop-down menu for more actions. From this dropdown, you'll go ahead and select Submit. This will open up a submissions page where, again, you'll be prompted to select from a drop-down menu for single file upload, multiple file uploads, cut and paste uploads, and zip file uploads. Single file uploads allows you to upload one paper at a time where you designate the student name, upload the file, and run it through the plagiarism checker. Multiple file upload allows for you to upload multiple files. Each file must be less than 100 megabytes to meet requirements, must have at least 20 words of text, and no more than 400 pages. You would simply select the files that you want to upload from the Choose File link and then select Upload All. The cut and paste option allows for you to upload one submission at a time, where you can go in and copy and paste text from a student's work into the text box and upload it into the plagiarism checker. And then finally, you do have the option of doing a zip file upload. Your zip file upload can contain a maximum of 1,000 papers. The zip file must be less than 200 megabytes. And individual files within that zip file must be less than 100 megabytes each. Simply select your zip file from the Choose File link and upload your zip file to TurnItIn. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit clt.odu.edu.